at the Rugged Radios meet and greet, signing autographs. Got the famous Blake Wilkie next to me. We're just enjoying the day, getting everyone pumped up for racing tomorrow and on Sunday, and having a good time. There you go.
Yeah, so can we get a picture with you?
Yeah.
No, you're good.
Thank you. You guys do me a huge favor.
We got the guy behind us taking pictures too.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of weird sometimes when you got guys handing you some beef, but this stuff is so good. All beef, can't turn it down. I mean, I'm having a hard time opening this thing up and getting busy with it, but we'll save it for later. I had ice cream for breakfast, but this will be my lunch.
Hi, say hi. She saw you in Lofton and fell in love with you.
Our riders lead up to 4, so
There you go. Have fun.
one for Christian.
One for the driverless driver.
Yeah,
Truckless driver.
yeah. Appreciate it. I've been a fan for years, dude.
Appreciate it. Go fast, find a ride.
Yeah, write that, please. Awesome.
There you go. All right, we're done here at Rugged Radios. Starting to get a little rain, and we're going to go finish up tech contingency and get ready to race on Sunday.
Oh, what, I pull on it?
Change it.
Oh.
Sorry. Get out of your way.
Oh, yeah.
That's comfort.
Oh, yeah. I like the comfort setting. Here, let me fix it for you, Justin. Justin likes the firm setting. Come on over and pull it.
Let's try this.
Here, let me get down there for you.
Oh, thank you. Let's see. Oh, this built for speed.
You
Right here.
flexing?
Yeah. Let's get my workout in
Dude,
today.
he's pretty physically fit, this guy. I mean, it takes a lot of muscle to go around the track and on the asphalt. Because, you know, if you guys haven't heard
This
yet,
is for old guys right
we're
here.
working on a new deal for Justin Lofton to be a pure pavement racer again. We've decided in the off-road world we don't need him anymore, or maybe we don't want him anymore. Here, let me go back to comfort.
Yeah.
You get tired?
Yeah. No.
This is how the old guys do it. Right here.
Is that how you win Baja 1000s?
Yeah, I was just cruising the whole time. You know, with my Foxes, just cruising, loping. We have in our center console, I don't know if you have this in your truck, but we have one of those cup holders, like the boats, you know, that swing back and forth.
Is that where you drink your lattes?
No lattes, but
No
yeah,
lattes,
yeah. I don't want to risk anything hot inside the car, just in case I do something stupid.
All right, we're here at the Fox tent doing a little impromptu signing, catching up with some other people I didn't get to spend more time with over at the Rugged booth, so just enjoying watching the crowd walk by and stop by and talk to a few people. It's amazing how many ways people can spell the same. It's always better to ask. Up with the Min 400 Tech. It's time to go back to get finalized, all the final preparations, everything from tires and chase trucks and fuel down to the snacks and what the guys are going to eat while we're out doing battle. So we'll go for it on Sunday and hopefully come home with a #1 plate. We're just finishing up final preparations, getting all the tires set, ice chest, all that good stuff done. We got a go-kart racing time later on today, and just kind of hanging out, killing a Saturday, waiting to go racing on Sunday. Go-karting plans got canceled, so we're here at the Southpoint Hotel and Casino Bowling Alley. Amazing bowling alley, terrible bowler. I stay with steering wheels and race cars, not bowling, but I'm going to give it my best shot. It's going. My score's about plateaued, so it's going to be a little tough to get through the next couple rounds, but we'll see.
Russell broke the streak. Hey, you gotta get more than one.
I missed them all.
You got 6.
I'm in the game now. Easy. This game is easy.
I think they're actually, at least on this lane right here, I think we're actually pretty good. I might consider entering us in a competition. Might. Very, very key word there.
Coming for you.
All right, we're all done bowling here. Actually, one of my best bowling games of my amateur bowling career, but I had a lot of fun. It was cool to watch my dad, my wife, all my crew guys bowl. Most of them were a lot better than I anticipated, so it's a good thing I didn't put any money down. But now the real work starts. Time to go to bed, get ready to go race the M400.